Welcome to Richland Sales. Today we're taking a look at a 2007 John Deere X540. This mower features a 54-inch cutting deck. It has approximately 672 hours on it. It's got a 26 horsepower liquid-cooled Kawasaki engine. It has power steering, differential lock, tilt steering. It's a really great running machine. We'll go ahead and start it up so you can hear what it sounds like and see it in action, and then we'll do a quick walk around the machine. Do a quick walk around the machine. Both headlights work. Features a 54-inch cutting deck. You've got differential lock. Up here on the control panel, you've got your hydraulic deck lift and lower. Here's your throttle and your choke, showing 672.8 hours on the meter, and it has a gas indicator up here. On your ignition switch, it's currently set to headlights, run, start. This is the PTO engagement, cruise control, and parking brake. Here's your deck level height. Has rear reflectors. Here's your hydrostatic foot pedals forward and reverse. And here's your brake. This mower has new front tires. It's got a new chute, new covers on the deck. The deck has received some touch-up paint. It's got a new hood, new side panels, and new side grills. Go ahead and take a look under the hood. It's got a 26 horsepower liquid-cooled Kawasaki engine. Starts right up and runs as it should. Overall, it's a great running mower. One other quick thing to mention, it does have a few scratches here and there, and the seat wasn't in the best of shape, so we put a seat cover on it. If you have any questions about this machine, definitely let us know. It's available for immediate pickup or delivery. You can contact us at info@richland-sales.com or give us a call at 660-537-3588. Thanks for watching.